Welcome. In today's video, we're going to guide you through the simple process of changing your display picture on Gmail using your Android device. Keeping your profile picture updated is essential for personalization and professionalism. Let's dive into the steps. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. Once the app is open, look towards the top right corner and tap on your profile picture. This brings you to a menu where you'll want to select Manage your Google account. Next, you might notice your profile picture again. Tap on it. Now, look for the option that says Change at the bottom left of the screen. Here, you can add a new photo directly from your gallery or take a fresh one on the spot. After selecting your new image, tap Next at the bottom. This will finalize your selection. Finally, all that's left to do is tap Set as Profile Picture, and voila! Your Gmail profile now features your new display picture. That's all there is to it. Enjoy personalizing your email experience.